Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can add payment method on Shoppay. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded the Shoppay app and already logged in as well. And now right after that, once you open it, you'll be able to see the interface or dashboard of the Shoppay apps on the screen. So now if you want to add payment method, then you can see there is profile icon at the top right corner of this dashboard. So let's tap on that profile icon first, and now you can see the payment methods in here. So just tap on the plus icon, and finally you need to tap on the add a credit card option in here on in the screen. So once you tap on it, you can see you need to enter your billing address and your credentials of your credit card. And finally scroll a little bit down and you can see save card option. So just tap in here, and yeah, you will be able to add your payment method successfully once you verify yourself. So basically this is how you can add your payment method on Shoppay app. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.